What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a video of pretty much me, well, half of it, me installing brand new headlights on the Trailblazer SS. We ended up getting all black clear corner headlights for the Trailblazer SS. We decided to get rid of the old foggy and fogged up headlights that we had. We have had them restored before. They just ended up going back to how they were, so we ended up installing brand new headlights. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna leave you guys here with the time lapse of pretty much just me uninstalling them. I thought I was recording when I was installing the new ones, but the camera ended up dying. So let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and leave a comment, hit that like button, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and enjoy.